Hello everyone, welcome back to Technique Force Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can manage the order form page in ShopFunnels. Let's get started. I will also show you how you can use the order page variable. So first, let's log in. Here on your ShopFunnels dashboard, click on Store Content and select Store. Then choose your store here. Click on the Edit Store button. Then from here, select your order form page. If you want to change the template, just click here on the Change Template button and choose the template according to your requirement. If you want to create a new order form, all you have to do is just click here on the Add New Page button and add the label name. And click on Add. Now select that page and go to its settings. And choose the page category as order form. Then save the settings and also choose the template for it. And that's how easy it is to create a new order form page. Now going back, I'll select my old order form page. You can also edit this older form as you want. So just click on the Edit Existing Page button. Now you can change the order form as per your requirement. First of all, you can see this. This is the order form template. You can change any texts, fonts, and colors from here. Now here on the contact email section, if I click here, you can see on the right side section the order input value is email, as well as on the input name box on the general section below. So, what is the difference between the order input value and the input name? The input name will add the input field here, but the order input value will add the member's actual data. For example, this email field will be replaced with the member or the customer's actual email address if they already logged in. For example, if I save this setting, and if I try to purchase any product like this product, I'll click here on the Buy Now button. Here you don't see the pre-filled email or user data, but I have selected all order input values in the order form as I've shown you a while ago. So if you have the registration and the login page, and if your customer or your member has already logged in and want to purchase some products, for example, let me log in first as a customer. Now that I'm logged in, you can see here I have already purchased a lot of products. And if I again purchase a new product, I'll click on the Buy Now button. Here you can see a pre-filled customer data, like my email ID, name, address, and everything, because I'm already logged in. And in the editor, this option, if you add here the name instead of email ID, then this option automatically takes the customer's name. Due to this functionality, the customer doesn't need to add their data again and again. This time, let me purchase this product. Let me add here my own details. Example, address and address too. The city, state, country with its PIN code, and the others. Now I'll click on Continue Payment. Add mobile number. Here, I'll click on Pay Now. And I'll just add a dummy 3D secure password just to show you on this example. Now I have successfully purchased the product. Now ShopFunnels will save all of my details for the next time that I use it. If you notice that I have added my address, if I again purchase any product and click on Buy Now button, you can see all of it here pre-filled on the field. So this is the use of the order input value option. Here you can also see the first name, last name, address 1, address 2, city, country, state, PIN code, and everything. Now here, you can see my product box, discount box, and if you want to add any discount, you can add it here. In the upcoming videos, I'll also show you how you can use the discount and gift card plugin. Here you can see this is the subtotal price, delivery charge, taxes, and total. You can add or edit anything you want here, or you can also just click on the component and scroll down. And here you can see the order and cart page variables. You can use any variable like what I'm using here. You can add any of these variables or widget. If you use this, then it will create this type of shortcode. Let me show you. Now I'll add one by clicking on the plus icon. I'll select a container component, and inside this container, I'll just drag and drop this payment details variable. So you can see here, I have successfully created a payment detail widget box. And if I save this page and refresh this page again, now you will see a different kind of widget box. You can see here, this is the subtotal amount, delivery, tax, and total amount. So this is how you can manage your order page. Again, you can edit anything you need here. Like if you want to change the button color or input color, just about anything that you need, you can easily change and add it here. For example, you want to add an input for a cell phone number. If you want to collect the cell phone numbers of your customers, then you can just add the input name here. You can just copy and paste this element right here. Rename this one. And on the placeholder, let's enter in contact number. Select the number for the type. And select the correct order input name. For this one, select phone. And also select the correct input name. Again, you can add and edit any elements here. Easily add any field here. You can just repeat the same process. If, for example, you've added a new field, and there's no available order input name for it, don't worry, you can add it in your order form page settings. And add it here on the valid input names for the project text box. And the valid input names for this page text box. And save the settings. And go back to the editor, and you will see the father name, input name that we have added. Select it. And save the page. So this is how you can add any input field in your order form page. Now, if I refresh my order page, you'll see the newly added fields here. And that is how you can manage your order form page in ShopFunnels. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.